Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you one of my favorite boxes. Lavish. So obviously I don't know how much this cost. It'll be on the screen. I never remember. But this is one of my favorite boxes, and for the most part I always feel like it's worth it. Even though it is kind of an expensive box. I don't know. I mean, it's rare that I come across. I mean, sometimes they'll throw like rose or floral scents in there, which I really don't care for, but generally, I always think that this is a really good box. Let's see. My Drogon is on the floor. He fell. I haven't gotten back up to get him, but couple giveaways going on, both linked down below. Tons of Jeffree Star products. They will be ending soon, so you better get on them if you want to. And let's get into Lavish. It is a gloomy, doomy day here. I am wearing a signed t-shirt by Josh Blue, which is a decently famous comedian. What was I saying? There's other information down below if you are interested. Let's get into Lavish. So this is for February. And you do get a card, but you don't get prices because everything is specifically made for this box. So they just don't give prices. But I will put this up to the screen like this. If any of you want to use those coupons, you can give the video a pause and grab those coupons. All right. The first thing, oh, that smells so good. The first thing I am pulling out is Champagne Kisses Bath Bomb. Fresh apricot is intertwined with rich brandy, sweet berries, and bubbly champagne. I don't know, that sounds divine. It smells divine. I like it. I am down. The next thing I am pulling, now there is something in here I'm not really liking the smell of, but, oh, and I bet it's this. Rose Cake Bath Bomb. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, so I will not use this. I will pass it along to my daughter or maybe throw it in a giveaway if she doesn't want it, but that is that. The next thing I am pulling out is Girls Night In, and it is guavas, grapefruit, jasmine, peaches, and sugar. And it is a whipped sugar. It's a whipped sugar scrub. Oh, that smells so delicious. It smells straight up like peaches. Oh, and it is whipped, like whipped icing. That's cool. But that does smell so good. The next thing I am pulling out, this is cute. So this is a bubble bar, and the scent is called Bite Me. It smells good. I like it. That's super cute. Let's see. Now, see, I'm not a huge fan of bubble bars because I have a jet tub. And so the bubbles never go away. I took a bath the other night, and I do have some bubble bars. But when I do use a bubble bar, I will just use like just a tiny, tiny, tiny portion. Because with jets, the bubbles just keep growing and growing and growing. So the other day, I needed to take a bath just to relax because I was in quite a bit of pain. But and I read it, and it said it was a bath bar, not a bubble bar. And I am laying there, the water is running, the jets are going, I have a wash rag over my face, and all of a sudden I feel this stuff touching my chin, and I open my eyes and my bathtub is about to overflow with bubbles. And I was like, what the hell? I mean, it just totally ruined my bath. Because I was like, what the hell? I don't hardly have any hot water. All this is bubbles, and now I can't run my jets, so I just got out. Anyway, that bath was ruined for me. So I don't use bubble bars a lot, and if I do, I just use a tiny portion of them. I could have swore that said bubble bar, or not bubble bar, bath bomb. Anyway, next, what is this? Makeup? No, not makeup. just came in a box like this. I thought maybe it was lipstick. It's not. Bathhouse Soapery and Calderarium. Handmade in Hot Springs, Arkansas. What is it? Oh. Okay, close. It's a perfume. That's interesting. Oh, it's a solid perfume. Got it. Okay, so I am, and it's, I was gonna say the flavor is, the scent is Goddess. I am going to, nope, I'm not. It's sealed. But it actually, I can smell it through here and it smells pretty good, so I will keep it. And the last thing I am pulling out, it looks like the last thing I am pulling out. And this is a Salted Rock Bath, or by Salted Rock Bath Company. And it is 100% all natural facial mask. I cannot talk. Strawberries and cream. So that's cool. And I can kind of smell it through, and it does smell strawberry-ish. So that's cool. All right. I like this box, you guys. I'm cool. I love it. All right, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.